Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Backspace deletes only one letter in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now you can go to the Accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Keyboard in the right pane and then turn the three switches off for sticky filter and toggle keys. Now, once this is sorted out, if it does not help, then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for keyboards and right click and update drivers. Right click and update drivers for this one. And if that doesn't help either, then right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and select Retry in the right pane. Let it download and install all the updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.